Washing machine, microwave, rice cooker. All these appliances can be seen in every home. They save us valuable time and money. We have created a new appliance which will be part of every home, an automatic meal maker. In general, you spend hundreds of dollars on food if you eat outside, but just few if you cook at home. But cooking at home is almost a part-time job, taking almost 20 hours of your precious time each week. Our appliance doesn't take a lot of space, just half the size of microwave. It has a big 5-inch touchscreen, speaker, it can be voice controlled. It's an IoT device, so it's connected to internet via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. All you have to do is put the ingredients you want in the appliance and let it cook. In the comfort of your home, all those good food and tastes from around the world is available at the touch of a button. You can explore new tastes and flavor from all over. The appliance is a smart cooker which connects to your phone and internet, so you can download as many recipes as you want from the recipe store, or you can even sell your own recipe and make some money. Let us show you how it works. The appliance has a container for ingredients and spices on the top and a cooking pot under it. First, you open the lid and put the ingredients in the container and select a recipe. The cooker will start to cook as per recipe, adding the ingredient at correct time and temperature. You can see the meal cooking from the window in the pot.